Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and removing triggers. First, make sure the watch has at least 30% battery and is stable. Once done, open Settings, go to Display, then Wake or Auto Wake. Turn Auto Wake off to stop the screen lighting when you raise your wrist. You're doing this because motion sensors often cause the backlight. Disabling Auto Wake removes that automatic trigger. Make sure to test by lowering your wrist and tapping the screen to confirm manual wake still works. Next, refine display and gesture settings to prevent stray backlight events. You should lower brightness to the minimum level that you can use comfortably. This reduces battery drain and any stray glow. Then, disable gesture controls such as double tap to wake or lift to wake. These are common culprits. Finally, set screen timeout to the shortest available setting so accidental wakes fade quickly. By combining all three changes, you limit both intentional and accidental lighting, while still allowing manual interaction when needed. Finish by applying broader and hardware-level safeguards. Enable Do Not Disturb or Theater mode to suppress notifications and prevent the screen from lighting during meetings or sleep. If the backlight persists, check for a faulty ambient light or motion sensor. Lightly clean the sensor area, and if needed, use a small piece of opaque tape or arrange for a sensor replacement. Restart the watch and install firmware updates. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort. If it still fails, contact support, but first try the sensor cover trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.